Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLS 63 AMG. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 5.5 V8 bi-turbo with 577 horsepower and 561 pounds of torque. 21-inch multi-spoke wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, AMG night package with black accents on the front, side, and rear. V8 bi-turbo badging on the side, black exclusive Napa leather interior, panorama sunroof, a black piano lacquer trim. Come around back, we've got rear climate controls, rear heated seats, AMG GLS 63 badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, pull down third row seats, cargo cover, clean set of AMG floor mats, blind spot assist, upgraded Bang & Olufsen sound system, memory seats, AMG illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLS 63 AMG has 48,929 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 63 AMG, visit us at feldmannimports.com.